Did your baby have a bowel movement during your vaginal delivery? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, my name is Marcus Boston, and I am a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today while I'm on vacation about this concept called meconium and why meconium from a medical legal standpoint can be dangerous to your child. So what is meconium? Essentially, meconium is the baby's stool. And when mothers can sometimes see this, it's initially when their water breaks. The substance, it can be green or yellowish or brown, it can be or dark color, it can be in the water. And meconium in and of itself, some of the literature suggests that if meconium is present with certain other factors, for example, the electronic fetal monitor is showing that the baby is suffering from late decelerations, or there's minimal variability, or there may be bradycardia or tachycardia, or in other words, the fetal heart strip is not reassuring. If this is in conjunction with meconium, then those can be signs that the baby can be in what we call fetal distress. Now, fetal distress is a really important concept when we are dealing with a vaginal delivery, because if a baby is in fetal distress, and if doctors do not quickly diagnose it and treat it appropriately, then if it's left to go on too long, the baby can suffer a brain injury. So this concept of meconium coupled with other things during a vaginal delivery can lead to some serious injuries for your child, namely a brain injury. A baby can suffer a brain injury if the fetal distress goes on too long and it's not remedied. So why did I take the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because more than likely, if you're watching this video, maybe meconium was present during your child's delivery, and you've been told now that your baby has suffered a brain injury. Maybe your baby was blue in color at birth. Maybe your baby suffered from seizures, had low APGAR scores, had to be resuscitated, was rushed to the NICU. Maybe all of these things were present, or maybe as you were looking through your child's medical records or talking to the doctors and nurses, they mentioned this term meconium, and maybe the term was coupled with meconium aspiration syndrome, MAS. Maybe you have seen these words, and now you have concerns about your child's future. If you have this going on and you would like to speak with me further, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at toll-free actually at 1-833-4BABY-HELP, or if you prefer, you can call me locally at 301-850-4832. You can always shoot me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. If you would like to go to my website at bostonlawllc.com, you can search around there and you can get a lot of information regarding birth injuries in the state of Maryland in this process. Before you leave the website though, be sure to download that ebook that we have explaining a little bit more into the birth injury process. Well, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law in the state of Maryland, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.